Okay, seems I'm live, I hope. Hello, welcome to Present Times Linux, where today I'm going to be looking at latest build of Trinity. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Uh, yes, I think that's covered everything on Monday the 9th of December. And most of the planet, I should imagine. And I hope everybody is up and well. And it is an early morning stream, because that's the way I've decided to do it. Let's see if there's anybody about. Oh, our 3 concurrent viewers. Hello, welcome all. I will start this off then. 3's enough. So let's start this off. DJ Ware, hello, good morning chap. I hope you are well. So let's start this off. Oops, got it on full screen. And again we've got some screen corruption. Changes to this build will be when using on live, there is persistence. It has the live equals, the home equals USB flag. A boot. So if you've got a spare USB stick, apart from the one that you're using to run the OS, you can use that as a home. So any changes or work you do are transferred to that rather than to wherever. Let me just not minimize, but change the screen size there. How are you, DJ Ware? DJ Ware even. It is a 6:45 in the morning in the UK, and yeah, my brain isn't all there yet. DistroTube! Very late there. Good to see you, Derek. I hope you are well, sir. Thank you for joining. Hey, hope you're well. Well, get yourself off to bed, mate. You've got a very early start, as you say, for work, especially in the run-up to Christmas, mate. And I'll be seeing you soon. You take care. I really do hope you're well, mate. Seriously. Thank you for joining me, even if it's just briefly. Yeah, it is about one. Yeah, it's about isn't it about 1:45 where you are? Did you where? Or are you in the central time zone, in which case it's about 1:45? I think. Oh, whatever. My, it's too early for me to work out time zones. I know it's roughly about 2:45 actually on the east coast, isn't it? And about 1:45. Morning, Cider Master, you chap. Hope you're doing well, mate. I'm just waiting for my POS to boot here. But this is where I am with Trinity so far. I have come across something that I do need to do before I actually finally upload it though. And that's update LibreOffice. It's 0.0. Well, we're on 6.3.3, so it's 0.01 behind. 0.0.01, whatever it is. Yeah, 6.3.3 is out and I'm on 6.3.2, which is no good. I am not having it. Well, anyway, this is where we are now. This is just a test, what I call my test VM anyway for Trinity. So it's been installed over and over and over, but it's going to be installed over again. Indeed it is. Just to make sure the installer and everything is done alright. I built this ISO this morning about 20 minutes ago. So, and forgot to update LibreOffice. How stupid of me. But still, use existing partitions. Yep. So we'll go through the boring crap. There we go. And I thought I'd just make a quick stream of it. I was going to make a video. Just a video like and just upload that, and I thought, you know what? I'm doing nothing for the next 15-20 minutes or so. Meh. Might as well. So I hope everybody is well. I know I've chosen a slight odd time to broadcast, but that's me all over, isn't it, really? I just choose these odd times when nobody else is streaming, or nobody that I know of in the Linux community is streaming, so I chose that time. So if you see me yawn or anything stupid like that, don't worry. Okay, so we're about 25% way through. This is the joyful part, of course, of Linux, the install. I don't really like any installer. I mean, they do their job, they install their stuff to the hard drive, and it is a necessary evil to get the stuff you want. But it is all good. I said I hope everybody is fine. Might as well minimise that out of the way. Oops. What a process take a little bit of a beating once installed, and I see. Make sure I got enough disk space as well. Yeah, I should have. I should hope so, put it that way. Nothing more infuriating than wanting to install something, running out of disk space, and watching it just turn all grey and say, hey, you need to free up some space, dude. Which happened to me on my update stream, didn't it? Which was fun. So while this is installing, I will make myself a cigarro. That sounds like a fair plan to me. So, just wondering what I've done with my filters. There we go. And we're nearly finished installing. Just the usual requisite of installing grub after this. And if anybody wants to comment on any of the theming I've done, please feel free. I thought I'd go for an autumn theme, a fall theme if you like. Apart from GTK apps, I can't get them to behave as well. So anyway, we're here at the old grubbage. Please wait. And I've got my mouse ready to want it to probe. Click finish and just let it boot. Just let it install the bootloader is what I was trying to say, not just let it boot. Booting is what comes next. What we got? Oh, I've got 2 likes. Thank you for the 2 likes and 3 concurrent viewers. Hello, you 3. So, okay, this is the boring bit over with. Let's restart the old machine. Boom. Doo-doo. So how are you today, Cider Master? I hope you're feeling well. And that you're all cushy. Okay, always blanks on the first boot. Never know why the Plymouth never boots on the first boot. I should look into that, don't you think? To be honest, it doesn't stay on Plymouth long enough after subsequent boots to even see the Plymouth screen. It's ready for you to log in. But alas, we'll just do it this way. Shall I install the guest editions afterwards? Yes I will. But for some reason on the RC version of VirtualBox, you need to reboot the guest OS after you install the editions. Why? I do not know. Let's play with a fortune here. I do. Yeah. Yeah, password is too short, yeah. Shall I put password? Yeah, I will, actually. Do it as if I am doing it for real, I guess. Okay, we're in. Okay, let's start it up. Let's do the guest editions. Just make sure they're working. And they're under utilities on this. Boom. And that's that done. So just wait for this to copy over. I'll reboot the virtual machine afterwards. Notice I'm using the 5.315 kernel rather than the 5.4 that I have on my host. And there's a reason for that, is that I have font corruption. For whatever reason, I do not know what it is, when using the GDM display manager. And the reason why I'm not using for the ISO another display manager is that the startup scripts kinda act funny with it. You kinda miss out on the, oh, what's the word I'm looking for? I'll think of it in a minute. But the startup bit that I've just done. And there we go. As you can see, like, the guest editions I've installed and CR and R tray, which is this little applet down here, is going absolutely freaking nuts. So I'll just wait until that comes up and I'll reboot her, which will stop that from happening actually. Open up a shell. Boom. Reboot. Oh, that should be better now. I said the booting after the subsequent first boot is always quicker. So I'll allow this to load and then I'll resize it in a second. I'll move it up here in fact. Oh, she's decided to resize herself anyway. Very kind of you, chap. Very kind of you. Yeah, whatever. Dag nabbit. Wanna grab a quarter? Oh, this corner's always the best in it on open box. Yeah. So, what do we have around? Yeah, stop doing that. Stop it. Server having a fit at me. Alright. I don't want to really cover you chaps up, but there we go. So, what did I bother installing? Well, the guest editions installed obviously, but a JavaScript editor on development. I think that got dragged in with something else. Not sure. Anyway, on the games I've still got PySol, which I do like. It contains a lot. Yeah, it contains a lot of different types of games. All based on a couple of games. Got Aces Up, Gypsy, Klondike, blah blah blah, French games, Mahjong, that kind of thing. So it's like you're not going to be bored too much with a selection of card and tile based solitaire games there, that's for sure. And I'm going through this because I want to know what we've got. Dot table. Let's make sure dot table wants to run, and it does. No problems there. Very cool. So far, I'm impressed with myself. Okay. That's our graphics. Digicam, which is for 2D. File management, of course. And nothing in my albums yet because no photographs. But Digicam. GIMP. I'm unsure whether I did install all the filters for this or not. So look under filters. Blur. No, I didn't. Ali needs to get sacked because Ali needs to install the thingy for that. That's fine. Good to see where I'm at, you see, which is why I made this ISO, because you do so much of it and you get all the, like, you try and get all the theming and all that done, and you think, well, what have I left out? What's missing? And this is why I do this. And this time I thought I'd let you into it with me. Why not? Why should I suffer alone? Case snapshot, of course, screen imaging cooker, which is the OCR business, which probably won't even load without a scanner being... No, not even going to load, are you? Oh yes you are, it lied. It just wanted to take its time. Okay, but at least that's working. Cool. And 2D font view, which is a font viewer. Internet to Brave browser, of course, which should default to the forum and to my Trinity webpage, which it does. I often wonder why the picture there, this one, is so small on Chrome-based browsers, but actually the right size on Firefox. I've never been able to work out the rendering on that. You can see the last one done was in October, the ISO, so it's about time I did a refresh, which is what this is. So Brave is up and running, very cool. Mozilla, of course, no problems here. Is anything stuck open in the... no. Okay, so Mozilla I was at. Knet attached for networking, KTorrent, BitTorrent client. Which has left itself in this tray, I have noticed, but I'm just going to leave it there for a second, it won't harm. Pigeon, Rambox, and Thunderbird. If Thunderbird wants to open, it does. I've used a dark theme, you see, for GTK. It's probably outrageous dark I used. I thought that'd be easier than having a bright theme. So, what else? Am I actually still broadcasting? Because... yeah. GDM setup, Bluetooth managers, and all that kind of business going on there. Alex appearance for GTK themes. Offices which I do have to update because I know that this is on an earlier version of Office. Because it occurred to me afterwards, so if I go to helping about, you will see I'm only at 6.3.2 instead of 6.3.3. So that will be updated before the ISO gets released. VirtualBox Manager course for installing VirtualBox. Timeshift is installed, BlitchBits installed, DD copy. Yeah, and fixed touchpad for those with ELED tech or whatever. What fixed touchpad does is use a solution. If you haven't got a standard Synaptics pad, this really does help. And that's about it actually. The rest of the stuff is pretty much... yeah, I use Crusader as well as Conqueror. Also, the root versions are there. utilities. I've got Green with Envy for those looking up within video cards, I guess. KK and Clipper and all that kind of business. Arc for our archiving, and Kate and K Wright for your text editors. Last I found is the V3L2 test utility, which I should move actually into multimedia before release. Yes, I think I should do that. Also got KPDF as well, and a latex front end called Kyle, which is rather cool. So that's about it, chubbers. That's about what I've done with Trinity so far. I said the ISO so far is 2.3 gig, and I'm a bit wary of adding more stuff to it. If you see what I mean. So cleans all that up rather nicely, but I do need to edit that and put that into multimedia. And I've got to update LibreOffice. Those are my jobs before the final release, so I'll do those later today. I've obviously got those icons locked. Yep. Get down there. They'll lock them in place. According to this, there is no update, so that's a good thing. So let me close that down, power it off because it's only mine. And yeah, who's around to talk to me then? If anybody's left around here. I installed X.2 expecting to go on video, but I was away, so I wasn't able to partake, I'm afraid. I've left Venom and Silent on there because they're quite cool. I like messing with them. As far as my own machine goes, I ain't really done much to it, to be fair. Okay then. So, there are 3 people watching. Question is, anybody else going to join me at this ungodly hour of the morning? So a quick look around the register while I'm out. Oh yes, my net is so speedy. Introduce a groovy little weblog article called That's Boss, okay? For an example of how users' concerns do not drive software development, check out this Google backed API. App detection interface sparks privacy worries. No shock there. Lifecycle London Blind Bird Office take off soon. Book your place today at our DevOps conference. Okay, cool. Early Schwar, this node is on fire. Forget Ceph. Try the forgotten OpenStack storage release Crispy. Okay. Use Homeland Security backs off on US scanning US citizens. Amazon ups AI anti and more. Talking about Amazon, I do believe that Ubuntu have done a deal with it called Ubuntu Pro. That links Amazon's AWS with a 10-year update. No, not 10-year updates. Well, yeah, 10 years worth of updates, but basically 10 years worth of support. There we go. As if you're on 1604 or 1804, and 8-year support if you're on 1404. It should be fun, and there seems to be a lot of speculation that Chronicle is up for sale. I'm not sure if Chronicle is for sale, but it's also rumoured that Microsoft and Amazon are looking into it. So that should be fun. Let's see if I can find anything on that actually. Is it Chronicle? Or Chronicle? You know what? I've forgotten how to spell Chronicle. But it doesn't matter because Google will. Okay, according to this, he had no plans in the 1311. But there's been a lot of speculation around it of late. But you know, according to this, as of last year, the answer is no. Mark Shuttleworth is not wanting to sell Chronicle. So that's good news, I think. Very cool. What else do we have? Anything else? Yeah, Elon Musk with his trial course. China files up Great Karen denies service blades towards Hong Kong. China also, from what I was watching earlier on, is that all foreign computers and OSs must be gone by 2022. I do believe it's from their government sites and whatever. Could be wrong. What else? Samsung will list some tip to escalate the phone camera arms race with a 108 megapixel sensor. Not enough there. Holland's be iconic Snaffle Stormfront to become largest Apple reseller in the UK. Okay. Nokia 2.3 HMD flings out 109 budget droid with 2-day battery life. Oh, you're so rugged. Microsoft soon's a new Lavana box pushing Azure to the edge. Okay. Apple mysterious iPhone 11 location pings were because of ultra-band compliance. The mind will give you toggle to activate UMB to future. Churchill. Okay. Play on words, I don't know. Hey kids, forget about Disney. Who fancies such a DevOps world? Reason to be fearful 2020. Missing public Wi-Fi, deepfakes and all the usual suspects. Dodgy Rosa. The S40 is a terrible smartphone, but a passable projectile. Fair enough. Whoa, this node is on fire. Yeah, read that earlier, didn't we? Okay. Not much happening in the world. Yeah, FTC kicks feet through Ash poll that went to Cambridge Analytica with belated verdict. Trade boss says long dead biz was indeed deceiving the public. Oh, there you go. Shocks and horrors. Penguin Revolution, hello. Sorry. Hope you're well. Welcome to the stream. Venomous, hello. Good morning. Hope you're well. I'm just chewing the fat at the minute. I've just been through what my latest build's been up to, but it's not too much. Actually, I've got a couple of things I've got to do before releasing the ISO. And it literally is just a couple of things. I'll go download the latest LibreOffice apparently. Install some GIMP filters, gimmick and so on, which I have negated. Don't know why, but I have. And tidy the menu up a bit. But apart from that, it's all good to launch. Very nearly. I was planning to have this done last week, but I was away. Oh, excuse me. So everything's been domino effect onwards kind of thing. Why would dominoes? Well, sorry, domino effect. What am I on about? Why is we show that I think. Why is that not showing? I stacked it to show and it says it's not. Anyway, you've replied I'm doing alright except for elementary OS is driving me nuts. Why is elementary OS driving you nuts? No, I assume that's part of the new Biddle challenge, is it? But I missed Biddle on Saturday night. Sunday morning for me really, but yeah. Why is elementary driving you a battery? My phone is ramping up somewhat. 6,000 revs. Something wrong there. Is there something wrong? Let me see. No, there isn't. So why are you being such a pain? I do not know. Not sure why when I accidentally showed that comment, why it hit it. Because no, I don't hide comments as a rule. Unless I did, I accidentally did click it. How am I doing here? Red and green and red and oh dear. Another 15 minutes and I'll be closing the stream anyway because I need to get something called breakfast. I am starving. I also need another cup of coffee. Yeah, and then I've got to get to work. Rebooting this machine back into Trinity and going, oi, you're knobhead, you gotta fix these faults before releasing. And I'm hoping to release it later on today. Yeah, I did hear about that warning about Firefox. Even though it's installed from their repos, it tells you about Firefox. So I find that kind of bizarre. The minimize button, I think you can get back using the tweaks, elementary tweaks. I think you have to install elementary tweaks unless it's already installed. I've not looked at elementary yet. But I did hear about the Firefox install. I think it works the same way for any browser you try to install. I could be wrong. Yeah, I probably should be still in bed as well. But alas, I got up, I made myself a coffee. I remade an ISO, which I've just shown off actually, to see where I was at, and I thought, yeah, I'll let you miserable get in on it as well. So I've done that. Yeah, realised that, still got problems, still stuff I've forgotten needs to be done. So I haven't written anything down yet, because, you know, I haven't. And so I will be doing that shortly. That reminds me, that's why I'm actually broadcasting off Wi-Fi instead of my cable. And I can't plug my cable in because it'll lend me a thingy. Oh, what a dope. Oh well. Oh well. Yeah, there is a in the package manager, whatever it's using today. It's there. You'll have to install elementary tweaks, and then you go into that, and then you can add the minimize button. Or so I'm led to believe. I haven't used it in quite a while actually. Elementary. Oh yeah, no doubt you'll figure it out. No problem. But it is a strange one with the hello, my fans are spinning down now. Cool. Yeah, it's just a strange one with Firefox saying, "Oi, are you sure?" Yeah, that's what I've just installed, yeah. Of course I'm sure. Never mind. Just installed it from your repo. What is the matter with you? You're telling me I'm not allowed to trust your own repos? Well, there you go. It's the way it is, it's the way it is. Mr. Venomous, how are you today, sir? Hope you are well. Hmm. It looks like I'm doing this live stream off Wi-Fi, which is dope on me, because when I came back, I forgot to plug all the cables back into my laptop. So now I'm running off Wi-Fi rather than Ethernet. Not that it's mattered that much, and yes, I did just stretch. Anyway, the latest is Peter Purvis has been dropped from Crufts after 41 years. Just saying. Just what I just saw flicked up on the old idiot box. Pleased to hear it, pleased to hear it. Well, it is stupid. I mean, yes, Elementary is built upon Ubuntu, right? It's Pantheon, right? So it's basically their own desktop on top of the Ubuntu repos, plus some of their own stuff. So yeah, I feel that it's pretty stupid myself, Penguin, to be honest. So yeah. So they're basically saying is they can't trust the Ubuntu repos, which is what they built the OS on in the first place. Hmm. I'm not quite sure whether it's just a Firefox thing, Venomous. I'm not quite sure whether it happens with other browsers as well, where it will bring up a warning. Because it's basically saying you can't trust the repos that the OS was built on. Rather strange, I thought. Yeah. Good morning, Tax. Hope you are fine. Yeah. Yeah, Waterfox. Yeah, well, basically, it's Firefox stripped, isn't it, Waterfox? As is Pale Moon and others. Yeah, we'll complain about Waterfox as well. Anything that's from the Ubuntu, that could be tiresome if it's going to complain anything from another repo. I mean, that's just silliness now. If it had been Snaps, I'd have said, yeah, fair dues. Yeah. Nobody knows, and that's been worked on for the last 3 years or so, isn't it? Hasn't Popey and Wimpy been working on that for a long time? So it complains about every... Oh my. So it's going to complain about everything you download off the Ubuntu servers. Oh, I can see that getting tiresome very quick. Wait, what? They don't have Waterfox in the Ubuntu repository? Really? Okay, cool. Weird and strange and weird, but still. I think developers are getting more lazy. Package it into your own repo, people. Actually, I don't even know if I have Waterfox in my repo, to be honest. In the PC Linux OS repo, let's have a check-ins. Why not? Waterfox, yep, it's there. 10.1 2019, classic for based on Firefox, but with additional optimizations apparently. So it's there. Well, it's latest version from Waterfox. I have no idea. But Waterfox isn't a flat hub. I mean, GIMP, I do know I gotta install some GIMP stuff. Basically, all of this. It's gotta be installed into the Trinity one. I'm naughty for leaving it out, really. Could add a bit of weight to the ISO, but meh. Oh, I don't even know if I've got Flatpak installed on my own machine now. To be perfectly honest, yeah. No idea. Nope. I don't know if Flatpak installed. Why am I lucky? Why am I lucky? I'll tell you what web browsers do have installed. Or rather, accessible. I know Chromium isn't one. Have a look. Cyberfox, Dillo, Double, whatever Double is. Mischievous and platform web browser, fair trade okay. Never even heard of Double browser until now. Well, that's it's there. Anthony, Falcon, Firefox. A load of Firefox. Okay, Flashpeak, Google Chrome. Yeah, I know I've just installed. G-Radio isn't really, is it? Midori, Palmoon, Onion Share, Otter Browser. Yeah. Archer love it. What doesn't Arch have? Sea Monkey if you want something big, Waterfox. Maybe missing others, but there you go. Iridium. That's about your lot. Piece of Linux OS wise. I don't know what this stupid is. A big oil. It's a cute 5 app. Okay. Right, let's download that then. But I'm bored. Okay, Double. Let's have a look at Double. I'm gonna have to do this twice, aren't I? Because, yep. Let's try it again. Let's Double browser. Okay, that's a fairly plain web browser there. La. Okay. It reminds me a bit of oh, thanks, Penguin. I won't sign in. I'm probably doing this wrong. Probably won't find me now because that channel don't exist. I'm live right now. No quick. Quick morning stream was the one before, wasn't it? Yep. Yeah, okay, so that seems to be working alright. Hello, welcome. Yeah. Shut up. Silly study is. That's alright. I mean, everybody for their own thing. Are you actually joined in on the stream? I'm gonna have to watch. The last bit of thing that I did watch was the interview with Martin Wimpress, which was interesting up to a point. I watched some of it, not all of it, I'll admit, but some of it. But yeah, if you dislike anything that isn't Archer's into, that's fine. You're allowed to that, you know. Nothing wrong with that whatsoever. That's a Minecraft doable browser installed on this. It seems to be quite interesting. Every distro will break things. I am just saying, it's just the way it is. Every distro breaks things, even this one. And of course, when things get broken, we have to fix them. Blah de blah, blah de blah. Reminds me, what version of Office do I have on here? Or do I have Office even installed? I do. I was up to date on my own machine and not on my thingy. Yeah, 6.6, 3.3.2. That seems to be the latest one. Cool, okay. Ubuntu does break things though, Penguin, it really does. But it all depends on your setup, what you've got installed, what conflicts with other packages. It's really hard not to see what one package won't conflict with another when an update comes, which is a pain in the backside actually. I mean, I know for a fact I've probably got things in the repo here that'll probably break something else. It is. Oh, it is. I don't even think I got updates, but I'll have a check. Oh, let's see what we got. Anything in status? Status? Yeah, nothing new. Just the old stuff. I should have installed his old kernel, shouldn't I? Just taking up room on my hard drive. So let's completely remove that one. And that one. Yeah, I'll clean it up nicely. Oh, Microsoft checks nothing, that's why. I've never run into that problem where I couldn't access my data. Never. I mean, I could always go init one, you know, single user, instant sh prompt, as root, in I go, and I'm like, in fixing. I've never been to a place where I could not get access to my data, ever. There we go. Cool. Let's clean that up a bit. Copycat, yeah. Zoom, okay. Actually, Zoom does need to be updated. But I do have a version of Arch in VirtualBox like, which works. It's also for courses. I mean, I did try and update my Trinity from, no, it's Linux OS from 2013, didn't I? And failed. Well, kind of failed. It took me 3 hours and a lot of work, but it updated. That's fine. That's fine. Well, let's not get into a distro wars on here. Each their own. Like you like Debian based, that's fine. Ubuntu based, Debian based, same thing to me, to be honest. What other wallpaper I can mess about with? Oh, those are yeah. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Kite. Trinity is that. Safe landing. You know what safe landing is? Let's have a look at that. How do I know about desktop? But the actual. Okay. One of those abstract images. That makes everything more concrete really hard to read. Unless I take off the I know one of these is actually transparency. Don't really matter which one I pick. Yeah, it's picking up the blue background. I'm sure it's a transparency on this, so. I don't know. Using a different background colour, isn't it? It's all good. It's all good. But people like trust what they decide to trust, don't they? At the end of the day. Everybody's comfy like with what they're comfy with. And that's that. Nothing any of us can do about it, I guess. As I said, it all depends on different factors, I guess. And LUG is my fastest one today. Cool. Yeah, I guess it's to do with users as well and how they update. But it's also the machines themselves as well, you know? It's swings and roundabouts. Anyway, 3 minutes and I'm definitely going for a cup of coffee and some breakfast because I am starving. Just saying. I'm Hank Marvin. I really am Hank Marvin. And I don't know what else to talk about, to be perfectly honest. Because it's too early, my brain hasn't woke up yet. Nothing near interesting. Like, I've got an interesting breakage on this where if Sam Talk's highlighted and I hit something else, Sam Talk will open. Rather weird. That was the ISO I used. So that can go. Alright, that's that done. Touchpad fixed. That can go as well, because that's actually something I was reading. Help me find out things. That can go. What else can go? Actually, a lot of these videos can be moved, I think. We all have our luck, you know. We all have our luck when it comes to things. I've just been very lucky with what I'm using. Broken MP3s, yep. Concrete for web, yep. Like CD club image how to. Did I actually make a how to? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I was going to do. Our package list, yeah. Text for YouTube. Oh, I led a very interesting life tonight, lads. What is this new group? What is the problem? Okay, so it's a dead VM. Fair enough. Let's remove that then. Don't know why it's there. It's just taking up space. How to do a bit of tidying up. And that was my experiment for updating. That's it, logs for that. It broke, didn't it? Oh, okay, cool. Don't even know what test is for. But still, never mind. It's obviously there for a reason. Not anymore. Yeah, of course. Of course. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Or Bluetooth. Oh, Bluetooth, okay. poor Bluetooth. There's obviously a file I put there. Obviously. Tidy up a little bit here, don't you think? Everything's in another box. Okay, I can get rid of them. Ah, there we go. Righto lads, I'm going to end the stream. Thank you for joining me. So it's been a bit of a boring and short one. But yeah, there we go. And I will see you all soon. Take care of yourselves. Have fun. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'm now going to be getting some food. That's the plan, Stan. And I hope to see you all later. Take care and thank you for watching. And I'll see you all soon. Take care, Venom. Penguin, take care. And whatever distro you're on, I hope you're happy. And, you know, it gives you money a service. I really do. And, yeah, you get to bed, Penguin. Get some Zeds, mate. Get some Zeds. Yeah, actually, I might be doing that later myself, having a nap. I woke up far too early. Far too early. But, you know, I woke up and thought, ooh, I've got to do this, that, and the other. So that's what I will be doing after breakfast. This, that, and the other. Anyway, hope you have a wonderful day. Or sleep and whatever. And I'll see you all soon. Hopefully, I'll have another live stream. Probably later on, not sure yet. We'll see how things pan out as the day progresses. Take care and God bless you all and see you all soon.